today is my birthday and I just got a present. I got a present. It was a very unexpected gift and I got the Galaxy Buds. And so I'm doing the unboxing with you. So I have tampered with the tape. I'm having trouble actually opening it, but let me just split it open. It looks exactly like kidney bean. Let me open this. 안 열림. Okay, we have the certificate, I guess. And then, ta-da! Oh wow, it's very, very shiny. And it's actually really small. Much smaller than what I thought it would be like. So my hand is pretty big, so it's hard to compare. But I feel like this is a lot smaller than the Apple one. I think. I'm not sure. It looks really small. Now that I am opening this. Yay! It looks super shiny. Which I like a lot. Okay, ooh! Oh wow! It looks really shiny and pretty. Good! Okay, let me put this on. So let's put on the birthday gift. Okay, so here it says left or right, and even on the bud it says the direction, so it's not very easy to miss. So I'm going to put on the left ear. And it's so easy and quite intuitive actually, because the shape of the earphone is the same as your ear pit. So it fits right away, and then as you can see, like the ear hugs the earphone and it sits so securely so that even when you're, shaking a lot or like running a lot, it doesn't feel like it's going to drop, which is very important because you don't want to lose them. They're so expensive. And it has all this great function, very simple, yet something that makes your life so much easier. You tap once and then it will play, and then you tap again, it will pause. If you tap twice, then it plays the next one. So it moves on to the next track. This made my life so much easier because we face a situation where you are listening to something and then somebody comes up to you and asks you something and goes away. And for that brief moment of like 10 seconds or so, you need to open your phone to pause what you've been listening to, and then you need to, when the conversation is over, you need to go back to find where you left off and play again and stuff like that. And during the winter time where it's so cold, you don't want to get your hand out to maneuver into your phone, right? So it's just made my life so much easier with this earphone because it's so simple to navigate. You just need to tap once or twice, and that just really made my life better and easier. So I am really glad with this birthday gift. I am very grateful, and I hope if you have any plan to buy this, and I highly recommend it. It's honestly one of my best buys. Even though I haven't bought it, it's one of my best buys ever, really. So hope you found this useful. If you have any questions regarding the Galaxy Buds, then please leave in the comments down below. I'll answer them as much as I can. Now I've been using them for more than 2 months now, so I can answer basically all your questions. And I will also leave the link down in the below for you to check out the Galaxy Buds. So if you're interested, then do get them for yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!